Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here. This is Houston. Say again, please.
Hey everyone, just a quick video to share my experience from last November when my furnace suddenly stopped working. It was pretty cold, and of course, the heat wouldn't kick on. Now I want to make it very clear, I am not a professional technician. This video is not a step-by-step tutorial. It's just how I went about figuring things out after doing my homework, watching a bunch of videos, and talking to a few professionals. If your furnace isn't working, definitely consult a licensed pro. I'm not responsible for what you do with your own system. This is just my experience. So, with that being said, here's what happened in my case. After some checking and testing and watching a few YouTube videos, which I'll link in the description, I discovered the problem was with the igniter. It just wasn't firing up the way it should. I did a bit more homework, got a replacement part, and carefully swapped it out. This is how I did it, and thankfully, that was the fix. The furnace was back up and running. As you can see, the inducer motor is running, and it should be sending 120 volts of power to the hot surface igniter, but it doesn't seem to be working. So now, we're going to test and see if 120 volts are actually being sent to the igniter. So, we are getting 120 volts to the igniter, which means the power is fine. It looks like we've got a bad igniter. I'm testing the new igniter here, and it's reading about 77.9 ohms. That's right in the normal range of 40 to 200 ohms, which means this igniter has continuity and should glow once it gets power.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.